नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल ट्रेडिंग बुल्स में। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन टू म्यूचुअल फंड्स। सो म्यूचुअल फंड क्या है, व्हाट इज ए म्यूचुअल फंड, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड, AMC, हाउ डज ए म्यूचुअल फंड वर्क, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड्स, investment portfolio, how to invest in mutual funds, KYC, investment modes in mutual funds, riskometer, etc. What is a mutual funds? Common pool of fund contributed by investor and invested in accordance to the objective. Investments are held in a trust of which the investor alone are joint beneficial owners. Trustee oversees the management by the investment manager. What is the definition of mutual funds? Financially intermediary through which serves pool their monies for collective investments primarily in publicly traded securities. What is the structure of mutual funds? Investors, mutual fund trustee, asset management companies, bankers, transfer agencies. What is the cycle of mutual fund operations? Investors pool money with fund manager, invest in securities market, generate returns and pass back to the investors. What is asset management companies? Asset management companies investment manager of the mutual funds appointed by the trustee with SEBI approval. Trustee and AMC enter into the investment management agreement required to invest seed capital of 1% of amount raised subject to a maximum of rupees 50 lakh to all open-ended scheme should have a net worth at least 50 crore at all time. At least 50% of members of the board of AMC have to be independent. AMC of one mutual fund cannot be AMC or trustee of another fund. AMC cannot be engaged in any business other than that of financial advisory and investment management. Why mutual funds? Manage inflation, expertise, convenience, economical diversification, liquidity, high return, safe and transparent. How does a mutual fund work? Classification of mutual funds based on structure: open-ended funds, closed-ended funds, interval funds. Based on investment objective: debt fund, equity fund, hybrid fund. Based on investment styles: passive funds, active funds. What is a cycle of mutual fund? Investor, fund manager, security, return, investor, fund manager, security, return. That is a cycle. How mutual fund works? This is the slide. Classification based on structure: open-ended fund, closed-ended fund, interval funds. Classification based on investment objective: debt fund, equity fund, hybrid funds. Classification based on investment style: passive fund, active fund. What is passive fund? Replicative market index, invest in same securities and the same proportion as that of index. No active selection of any stock sectors. Expenses are lower. Portfolio is modified every time index composition changes. Active funds invest in securities and sectors that may offer a better return than the index. Actively manage the allocation to market securities and cash. May perform better or worse than the market index. Incur a higher cost than passive fund. Mutual fund classes based on structure, based on asset class, based on plans. Category of mutual fund schemes to ensure uniformity in characteristic of similar type of scheme launched by different mutual fund houses helps to investor to evaluate different options available before making informed decision to invest. Equity scheme, debt scheme, hybrid scheme, solution oriented scheme, other schemes. Type of mutual fund in India based on speciality: 1. Sector fund, 2. Index fund, 3. Fund of fund, 4. Emerging market fund, 5. International fund, 6. Real estate fund, 7. Commodity focused stock fund, 8. Market neutral funds, 9. Inverse leverage funds, 10. Asset allocation funds, 11. Gift fund, 12. Exchange traded funds. Types of mutual funds: diversified funds, balanced fund, large cap fund, mid cap fund, small cap fund, hybrid fund, fund of fund, debt fund, arbitrage fund, gold fund, index fund, international funds, sector funds. How to invest in mutual funds? Via physical mutual fund application form, via mobile app, via online mode, via AMFI registered mutual fund distributor. Benefit of investing in mutual funds: flexible investment tenure, convenient and hassle free, minimum paperwork, SIP assures power of compounding, manage inflation, taxes and benefits, safe and transparent. The KYC forms, KYC registration is centralized to KYC registration agencies registered with SEBI. Each investor to undergo KYC process only once in securities market and detail would be shared with other intermediaries by the KRAs. Standard account opening form AOF has part 2, part 1 basic and uniform KYC details of the investor, part 2 additional KYC information as may be shot separately by the mutual funds. Mutual fund investment procedures indicate whether you are a first time investor. Visit official website of KRA and check whether you are a KYC complaint or not. You must submit KYC status, provide your details, name, etc. Submit bank details along with cancelled check. Once documents are accepted by mutual fund companies, you may start making investments. Investment modes in mutual funds: lump sum investment, systematic investments. What is a lump sum investment? One time investment, usually large sum of money in invested at one time. Investor faces risk of volatility in market. SIP. Staggered investments, period of commitment 6 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, specific time, specific intervals, monthly, quarterly, half yearly. The investment process: decide your investment objective, shortlist fund, analyze and compare shortlisted fund, check cost of investing like fund cost, exit load, etc. Don't pick just once, diversify, monitor performance and fund allocation, change track if needed. Direct mutual funds, regular mutual funds. Investment modes in mutual funds: mutual fund plans, growth versus dividend options, growth options, dividend payout options, and dividend reinvestment options. Gains, growth options. Gains made in portfolio are retained and reflect in NAV. Realized profit loss is treated capital gain or loss. Dividend payout options: fund declares dividend from realized profits. Amount and frequency varies and dependent upon distributable surplus. Dividend reinvestment options: dividend is reinvested in the same schemes by buying additional units at X dividend NAV. Number of units standard in the credit in the investor increase each time a dividend is declared and reinvested back into the schemes. Statement of additional information: scheme information about how to check information about the mutual fund offer document. Riskometer and its important 6 levels of risk of the mutual fund schemes: low risk, low to moderate risk, moderately high risk and very high risk. Thank you for watching Trading Bulls. Thank you very much.